In this video, we're diving into Cardano and exploring how much 4,500 ADA could be worth by 2026 if you invest today. But before we continue with the video, if you're looking for a secure, low-fee crypto exchange, check out ZOOMEX, built by a core team from Bybit for top security and reliability. It offers a Bybit-like experience, but is available worldwide with no KYC. Sign up with my link below and claim a free 500 USDT airdrop position on your favorite altcoin. At the time of recording, the price of ADA is around $0.819. At this market price, it will only cost you about $3,685 to bag 4,500 ADA, which is a very good entry point for anyone looking for the best cryptocurrencies to invest in for massive gains in 2026. Cardano has grown to be one of the best in the cryptocurrency industry, and it has drawn in not just investors, but also developers. Cardano's market capitalization stands at around $28.8 billion, ranking it among the top cryptocurrencies in the world. The history of Cardano started in 2017, when it initially listed at about $0.0246 and has since then proceeded to an all-time high of about $3.10 in September 2021, when the crypto market was running its bull run, which brought significant returns on investment for those holding the tokens at the time. If anyone had up to 4,500 ADA at its peak, he would have at most $13,950. Now, let's take a brief look at what Cardano is all about and why it has so much potential for great growth. Cardano is a decentralized platform that enables the creation and execution of smart contracts and decentralized applications. Its design is rooted in peer-reviewed research and consists of a layered architecture that separates the settlement layer, where transactions are processed, from the computation layer, where smart contracts are executed. This separation allows for improved scalability and flexibility. Cardano operates using a distinct proof-of-stake system called Ouroboros, as a departure from proof-of-work systems that require a miner to authenticate a transaction by solving a problem. Ouroboros rewards holders of ADA to be more engaged in security and transaction validation of a network by staking their tokens. The process is not just more energy efficient, it also engages users to be more active in the ecosystem. Over the years, Cardano has secured various high-profile partnerships that affirm its essentiality in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. One of such is a partnership between the government of Ethiopia to apply blockchain in developing a national digital identification system. The partnership is going to give verifiable identities to government officials and Ethiopian students in their millions. The other high-profile partnership is that of World Mobile Group, to supply connectivity to the internet in Africa via blockchain. The partnership is going to facilitate adoption of Cardano in underserved areas to make it even more practical. Cardano also experienced immense growth and adoption, particularly after it experienced a massive wave of upgradation introduced in its Shelly and Alonzo releases. The release of Shelly in 2020 allowed for a conversion of Cardano to a more decentralized system. By making it more decentralized in nature, it increased involvement of the stakeholders and trust, requiring a more expansive developers and users' involvement. The move was also highlighted in line with the vision of Cardano's architect, Charles Hoskinson, to support a large number of digital assets in a blockchain, making it a more serious player in blockchain's technology's competitive market. The subsequent hard fork of Alonzo, closing the age of Shelly in September of 2021, brought forth Cardano's entry into the Goguen phase. The phase introduced the functionality of making it easy for users to create and carry out smart contracts on the network. The introduction of smart contracts has been responsible for Cardano's growth in that it added to the functionality of the platform to enable developers to build native decentralized applications. The introduction brought in a more vibrant ecosystem in which various decentralized finance protocols, NFT platforms, and other next-generation solutions would be in a position to compete favorably. As we move towards 2026, a collection of factors signals that expansion is on the horizon for Cardano. The continued work and development is focused on increased transaction throughput, cross-network compatibility, and a more sophisticated overall user experience. The three entities that work towards developing and growing Cardano are the Cardano Foundation, IOHK, and Emergo. Recent releases on the network, such as support for new smart contract capabilities and cross-chain functionality, signal their work in continuing to move forward. The Vasil hard fork, which launched in 2022, is a groundbreaking and unprecedented upgrade to the Cardano blockchain. The upgrade is particularly significant in the manner in which it improves the performance of smart contracts, scales the system, and improves transactional efficiency overall. With further refinements to the extended UTXO model, the update allows the processing of more sophisticated and advanced transactions and at lower fees. As a result, decentralized apps, or dApps, are far more of a viable option for both users and developers. The massive upgrade not only makes Cardano more competitively placed in the market, but also attracts more developers to the platform. Additionally, it gets marketplace activity going in general and spurs innovation in some very important sectors, including decentralized finance, non-fungible tokens, and governance models. Finally, this update ensures the sustainability of the long-term growth initiatives and prospects of the platform, indeed rendering Cardano a solid and credible player amidst the ever-evolving blockchain sphere. In addition, Cardano recently released a detailed roadmap to 2025, and beyond that is based on scalability, usability, and interoperability improvement to set it up for massive growth in 2026. Among programs featured is the release of Layer 2 tools like Hydra and Rollups to support higher throughput of up to 90 million per day of transactions, the Midnight sidechain focusing on private transactions and secure interaction of decentralized finance applications, and the addition of the Hyperledger Identis framework, which allows the incorporation of decentralized identity solutions that support more efficient user authentication and compliance. All of these innovations point to its potential for massive growth as it opens up to more developers, companies, and users in need of a scalable and secure blockchain ecosystem. Also, the incoming 2025 bull run is another force to reckon with when considering the growth potential of ADA by 2026. As you already know that during the bull run, cryptocurrencies often witness dramatic price appreciation, such as in 2021, when major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum reached new peaks. At the time, Bitcoin achieved a peak valued at above $68,000, and Ethereum experienced an uptrend, placing its value above $4,800 in 2021. If ADA continues in its upswing via strategic partnerships and technological advancement, it is likely that a bullish sentiment is created, fueled by higher demand for the token. If the next bull market follows the pattern of the previous, ADA is likely to reach a price range between $3 and $5 in the year 2026. In this respect, if a person has in their portfolio 4,500 ADA at a price of around $3, total valuation would be around $13,500. Alternatively, if the price reaches around $5, valuation overall would likely reach $22,500. Of course, it is necessary to state that these estimates are hypothetical and primarily based on positive market conditions and the continuous innovations of Cardano. Also, remember this is not financial advice. Always do your research and seek expert advice before investing your money in any coin.